今晚做了馋了很久的烤鱼，实在是太香啦。今天晚上准备蒸点馒头，再做个烤鱼吃。你找他要，你跟他说 shadow drop。你看，听话的，你跟他说他听的。我想要做个小猪，好不好
？Oh, that's okay. That's white.
那我们做个粉色的，好不好
No, that's my favorite. That's红色。
每次一放学就饿了。配菜准备好了，这个是配料。以前都不敢做这种食物，家里呛的，孩子们都一直咳嗽。今天就很好，一点味道都没有。
Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome.
Please have a cookie. Mommy.
No cookie.
No, I didn't mean cookie.
他说的是 cooking。对啊，谢谢你。
I'll eat everything you make, even the fish. Even though I don't like the fish, but I have the fish with. Daddy says I can have the fish with vanilla sauce.
谢谢，你真好。孩子们的就很简单。OK， 开吃。
It's green one.
谢谢。
This one's really good. Right here.
哦，谢谢
They're
你
so
们。
so 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 yummy.
可以过吧，吃吧。馒头也快好了。
I'm all about the fish. It's really good.
Good, I'm glad
Are you okay? Do you need anything?
my stomach is really hurting.
嗯
I'm so sorry, man.
，It's okay。那你休息吧。
I'm really sorry.
It's okay，你休息
And
吧。
my throat is really hurting. See, I almost finished.
好期待呀！还挺软的，不错。你试一下，馒头蘸那个酱吃。你只吃这个吃不饱的，你要吃个馒头的。小心鱼啊，鱼可能会有一点点刺。
I did before and look.
Good。哦，真棒。Bailey， 过来吃饭，你在干嘛？今天做的饭不是你们最爱，但是是妈妈的最爱。妈妈想吃这个，想吃很久很久了。谢谢你跟我一起吃。
Will you open it, your car?
小家伙不要吃，要吃面包。其实馒头还行，挺有嚼劲的，还蛮好吃的。